Dati-rati, isang tingin ko lang, alam ko na. Bakit ngayon ika'y nababalot sa kulay ng ating gabi? Nagtatanong, nangangarap na aking makisnang muli. Kung may bagyo o kung tag-araw sa iyong damdamin, sana ay makilala kang muli. Tulad ng dati, halika, lumapit kang muli. Tulad ng dati.
Is it true that the Dawn is breaking up again?
No, hindi totoo yun. We're just not very active like before.
Do you have plans of recording another album?
We're working on some songs, but there are no album plans yet. I guess we want to take it easy for a while, because we're busy with other things right now.
Thank you, Jen.
Okay, that was Mr. Jet Bannon giving us an update on the Dawn. Up next is a video from 2005 Super Band of the Year, Rhapsody Band, with their latest single called Rhapsody. Check it out.
Okay ka lang? Okay lang. Pagod. Pagod lang ako. Alam mo na kay Buddy? Oo. Kanina lang. Uwi na. Uwi na ako.
Okay, let me repeat what you said, just to make sure I get the facts straight. The customer need licenses for 1,000 desktops. And then they also need server licenses and the software maintenance to go with that. Tama ba yun?
Tanggalin mo nga yan. Nasa loob ko ng bahay. Patingin na mata mo. Baka nagda-drugs ka, ha? Tsaka alam mo, pagpagupit ka, hindi na makita ang mukha mo, eh.
Baby, pakyatin na si Erica. Kailangan lang tapusin to, eh. Thanks. Just make sure you cover all grounds. You know, I suggest you ask them first how much they have allocated before you can even...
Oh, kumusta grades mo?
Okay naman.
Are you studying hard?
Opo.
You need good grades to get into a great college someday. Tularan mo nanay mo. Gusto ko maging katulad niya.
Hello, Beth Pangan.
Ano mo ko?
Oo naman. Bakit?
Wala lang. Just wanted to hear it.
You want me to come home early?
No, it's okay. Magiging pa mamaya, eh.
You want me to watch?
Nah, it's nothing special. Just the usual routine.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Just call me when you get home.
Okay. I love you.
Love you.
yan eh. Kailangan ko ng pera. Total, pinalitan ko rin din naman si Mona at si Kaloy. Kakahanap kaya ni pambahista. Kaya ka ba, Alex? Isa katapusan. Basta pag day off, susunod ka. Yes, tita.
Well, here's to the years spent with us. Thanks, Alex.
Hey, man. Ako ko, pare.
We had it all planned out. Why then do our hearts scream and shout? Oh, change is breaking us apart. Change is breaking us apart. Maybe we just need to start again.
Ano tingin niyo? Tutuloy ko ba natin to? Gusto mong mangyari, disband ulit. Well, album sales aren't so strong. But we still have gigs. Generally, okay naman tayo. Why disband? Okay tayo, bakit kailangan mo disband?
Change is breaking us apart.
Dude, we've been through worse. Kaya natin ito, try natin. Ano dyan? Tingin mo?
Maybe we just need to start again.
Dad?
Nasaan ako? Am I dead?
Is that what you want?
Hindi.
Are you sure?
Oo naman.
Sige.
Sino ka?
It's hard to say within 1 or 2 days, months, maybe years. Wow. We can't really tell. No, it's a very difficult decision at this point.
Jumboy? Yep. Sige nga.
Ano nangyari?
Nampas ka sa ulo na magnanakaw? Para you've been asleep for 3 days.
Magnanakaw?
Kaso nakawala eh, tsaka may nadalang gamit.
Nothing we can't replace. I'm just glad you're okay.
Jumboy? Sino sila?
Ay nako, Jet Pangan. Hindi ka nakakatawa. Jet, it's me, Beth.
It's a form of amnesia, specific memory loss. Meaning, he cannot relate a specific set of memories.
He remembers everything till 1988. After that, wala na. Bakit 1988?
Maaring reaction lang yan sa isang psychological stress na nag-start noong 1988.
Pero bakit ngayon lang?
The concussion could have caused a disintegration na yung memories na na-repress dati, nagiging focus ng consciousness niya.
Pero bakit 1988? Ano bang nangyari noong 1988? You have amnesia? It's not 1988. It's 2006. A lot has happened since then. Si Teddy. Si Kaloy. Wala sila dito. Si Mom. Si Dad.
Anak, nag-alala ako sa'yo. Mabuti nakaligtas ka.
Si Daddy.
Anak, wala na ang daddy mo. Mag-iisang taon na.
Kaloy, kumusta na? Eto, okay naman ako. Ikaw? O, sige, I'll call you later, ha? Pupuntahan daw muna namin si Teddy. Ha? Bakit?
Paano patay na si Teds? Na-hold up siya. Pinatay siya ng mga magnanakaw. When they found him, it was too late. They couldn't bring him back.
It's your house, man. Look around. Baka may maalala ka. Where is she?
I'm here.
Hey, Beth. Ilan anak natin?
Isa lang.
Asan siya?
She's in school.
Ilang taon na?
12.
Hindi kita matandaan. Kailan tayo nakilala?
We met in 91, and then we got married in 92. We had Erica soon after.
I need a bath.
Yes, let's hear it straight from the band members of Rat Bunitata on why their lead vocalist, Diesel, left the band.
Correction, hindi siya umalis. Pinalayas namin siya.
This is a setup. You know, all the leading bands in the country, they lose their lead vocals at one point in time. It's natural. It's a source of inspiration for us.
So, what are your plans?
Baka pa-contest kami sa TV.
Any message to your fans?
Rat Bunitata is still the country's #1 band, baby. And nothing can change that. It's just a minor setback. You have a date with destiny.
Kaya yung mga gusto mag-audition para sa amin, tumawag lang sa 1-800-RATBU or text RATBU space, your name, and number, and then send to 2896.
Ngayon, kung okay ka na, chick, call and text ka na rin.
Diyan na raw sila. Tara.
Francis has been with us since 1990. Kaloy left in 2001. We've had other members join the band. Si Buddy, nakilang taon na sa atin yan.
May storm concerts ba?
Storm concerts, pare, matagal lang wala yun. And we're not really a big arena band anymore.
We do gigs at small venues mostly.
And New Wave. Nag-New Wave pala.
Minsan may covers pa tayo, pero lumayo na tayo dun.
Anong tunog natin yan?
Ito yung title cut nung huli nating album, Harapin.
Oh. Wow, bigat ah. Hindi ko yata trip.
Dude, ikaw nagsulat yan eh.
Ganon? Maganda. Maganda pala. Kumusta tayo nung 90s?
We did pretty well. All the albums were hits. We had 4 more Storm concerts after October Storm. Pero 1995, nag-disband tayo. Year 2000, reunion.
Disband? Bakit tayo nag-disband?
That's a long story. We're supposed to practice today. May gig tayo mamaya.
Ha?
Kakancel namin sana yung gig pero naisip namin baka makatulong ibalik yung memory mo eh.
Teka, gig mamaya eh. Hanggang 1988 lang yung mga kanta na naalala ko, di ba?
Hindi, okay lang. Mad Game. Let's try Mad Game.
Mad Game.
Mad Game. 1, 2, 3.
Ideas turn to illusions. I'm so weary, but my mind doesn't turn off so easily. I am in this mad game of life. I am in this mad game of life.
This is bullshit, man. Ano nangyari sa atin? The Dawn is much bigger than this. Why are you playing here? Para tayong nostalgia band.
Mga luma yung tinugtog natin. Siyempre, revival yung dating.
Kung mga bagong kanta tinira natin, magbabago ba yung crowd na yan?
Dude. Matagal ng crowd natin yan.
Crowd? Hindi nga sila nakikinig eh.
Yes, but they always go to our gigs.
Are you guys satisfied playing the same crowd over and over again?
Oo, okay lang sa akin.
I don't believe you. Tara, basi tayo.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Basta, bring your gear, I'll drive. Teka muna. May lisensya ka mo noong 1988?
Wala. Ba't hindi ba may lisensya ako?
Meron.
Ako pala eh. Yan, dito tayo.
Saan mo punta? Wait, ako nasa pupunta.
Nung 88, one way to way.
Dito one way only. Hindi, one way.
1988, hindi. Yan ang police. Do it one way. Yung police, ligo mo rito.
Usad ng konti ito, kahit sandali lang, may
One way na pala yun.
Marami na nagbago, pare.
Ano ba ba?
masasawala. Sinta ng puso ko'y parang stoplight na sira.
Puta. Wala na, Roxys.
Tagal na.
Light and sound.
Wala na rin.
Hotel California. Zigzag.
Wala na lahat yun. Yung whistle stop nga, last year nagsara eh.
Sayang, kung last year ka nag-amnesia, di sana naabot mo pa.
Saan ba yung concert dito? Ano ba itsura ng mga concert ngayon?
Wala mo ko malapit dito. Tara.
Di ka na naniniwala sa mga himala. Sa yabang na makahirap.
Yan. Ganyan ang sinasabi ko. That's what I remember. That's what we should be doing.
Pare, matagal na yun. Ang panahon na ngayon, para sa'yo. Para sa akin, hindi. Para sa akin, kahapon lang andyan tayo. Hindi ba hinahanap? Pare, we had our time. No, pare. This is still our time. Tara, sige sa akin. Ako bahala.
Tuloy, tuloy, ikot ang mundo. Dito hinto para lang sa iyo. At kung ikaw ay maiwan, ako'y babalik at di ka mababayaan. Tuloy-tuloy ang ikot ng mundo. Tuloy-tuloy ang ikot. Come, hold my hand, it's just a matter of time. We've taken that step, now our hearts and minds do line. Seasons we left behind, dark and empty, cold and alone. Reasons so plenty, sins to atone. Live and be, love will set us free. Hearts that see and feel, love will make us real. Live and let it be, love will set us free. Hearts that see and feel, love will make us real. Challenge we accepted, the change we did make. Hold on tight with a vision bright. Now we are one, we fly with a vision and a dream. On our path of gold, we soar, we scream. Live and be, love will set us free. Hearts that see and feel, love will make us real. Live and let it be, love will set us free. Hearts that see and feel, love will make us real. Live and be, love will set us free. Hearts that see and feel, love will make us real. Live and let it be, love will set us free. Hearts that see and feel, love will make us real.
From out of nowhere, the Dawn makes a sudden guest appearance. A lot of those in the crowd weren't even born when this band started playing. The Dawn rocks! Woo!
Late ka na umuwi kagabi. Hindi na kita namalayan. How was last night?
Galing kagabi. The crowd loved us. Ang daming tao. Saya.
Talaga? Tulad ng dati?
Oh. Tulad ng dati.
Pwede ba tayo mag-usap?
Tapos saan?
Tungkol sa atin. Tungkol sa pamilya natin. Jack, I want to help you remember everything.
Bakit pa? So you can bring back that loser?
Baby, you're not a loser.
I wasn't talking about me. I was talking about him, the other Jet.
The other Jet? Anong ibig mo sabihin?
We're not the same person. Maybe we were once, but not anymore. Please try to understand. Susunduin ako ni John Boy. Sa labas mo na siya atay. John Boy.
Yes, what?
I want to see Kat.
On the way today, I see you walking towards me. Things like these, they make me see in a brighter perspective. Now I'm sure that I make sense when I say there's a little bit of paradise everywhere. So I'm thankful that they
Hoy, Rockstar!
know mine.
How are you na? Baby told me na aksidente ka daw. Are you okay?
Now I'm okay.
I love the way it makes me feel. Birds fly above me. I love the way it makes me feel. Make it happen forever. For just a little paradise. When hey, make it happen forever. For just a little paradise. Play my love. Make it
Bakit di ka na kasi umuwi?
I was finishing my degree. You didn't even make me Dalo back then.
I don't know why I didn't. I guess maybe after Teddy died, the band just needed me more.
I needed you too. So how's the band?
Not good. It's not the band that I remember. Siguro kung alam ko lang na ganito mangyayari sa amin, hindi na kita pinagpalit sa kanila. Dapat kasi dito ka na lang nag-aral eh.
Jet, I wanted to study there. That was my dream. And besides, you said you'd wait for me.
Balak na naman takantayin ah.
Yeah. But you didn't. Pagbalik ko rito, may asawa ka na.
Cut muna! Bakit na naman? Pare kanina ka pa. Ano problema mo?
Why can't you play like Teddy used to?
I am playing it the way Teddy used to.
No, you're not!
Hindi ako si Teddy.
Hindi ka nga si Teddy. Malayo ka kay Teddy. And you can never be like Teddy! Takinang to ah!
Hey!
Kung di dahil sa akin, wala tong bandang to. Banda ko to, so you do what I tell you to do!
Anong sinabi mo?
JB, think about it. Those kids the other night, they loved us. And because I'm here, we can be number one again.
Gago ka pala. Kailan ka pala wala? That's not who we are. Not anymore. You have to learn to accept that.
Masaya na ba kayong ganito na lang tayo?
Oo.
Pues ako hindi. I want more.
Problema niyo na yan. Do you know who Francis is? He's been playing with us much longer than Teddy.
He's not a problem. You can always get another one.
He's not just your bandmate, he's your friend. You need him. The band needs him. You need this band. Without this band, you're nothing. And even back then, the Dawn was never your band. It was Teddy's.
O ano? Aalis ka rin.
Malamig daw ngayon sa Hong Kong. Tinawin pa naman ako. Ingat.
Jet Bangan! Ratty!
Ratty, kilala kita. The Ratman. Buko Dan. Candyman.
That's us!
You guys are all over the place.
Jet Bangan. We have a party tomorrow. Tell you to drop by. Invites, please. It's gonna be hot. See you there.
Ay, Noir, huh? There.
So, kamusta si Katrina?
Kilala mo pala siya. She's okay.
Do you plan to see more of her?
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Did you ever stop to consider how I would feel?
No.
Jet, I'm your wife!
Mahal ko siya. Mahal ko siya. Yun ang tatandaan ko eh. Look, I'm sorry. Wala namang may gusto nito eh. I'm not your husband. Not anymore.
Just because you can't remember anything doesn't mean none of it ever happened. Jet, mahal din kita!
Jet,
Hey, Kat.
what are you doing here?
Aren't you gonna invite me in?
What's this?
May konting problema ako eh. May bisita ka pala.
Jet, asawa ko siya.
Hi, Katrina.
Hi, Franco. Hi.
How are you?
Hi, this is Jet, an old friend of mine.
Really?
Franco, my husband.
Hello, Jed. How are you?
How do you do?
Good. Would you like to join us for drink?
Maybe next time, thank you.
Oh,
I'll just be out here with Jet for a minute.
okay. Everything okay?
Yes, yeah.
Sure, huh?
Everything's fine.
Okay, darling. Oh, Jed. Bye.
Ba't di mo sinabi sa akin kasal ka na pala?
I don't know. I guess I didn't want to make you bigla.
Run away with me.
Jet, I can't do that.
Kat, ikaw na lang ang natitira sa mundo ko. Sumama ka na sa akin. Umalis tayo dito.
Jet, no. Let's finish na. We can't bring that back anymore. I'm sorry that you don't remember anything, but there's nothing you can do.
Pero hindi ba't ito ang gusto mo?
Yeah. No, but no more na. I have a different life now.
Mom, can you help me with my homework?
Yes, anak. I'll be there in a minute.
Ang ganda niya, mami na.
Jet! Okay ka lang ba dyan? Jet, buksan mo tong pinto!
Kumusta na? Cheers, pare. Bakit ganun, no? Kahapon lang, magkakasama tayo. Ngayon, biglang patay ka na. Ako naman, eto. Naiwan sa Twilight Zone. Bango mo to, Teds. Gisingin mo na ako. Gusto mong pulutan? Ibang mundo na to eh. Si Jungboy nagbago na. Tumanda. Si Kaloy naman, iniwan na kami. Sana nandito ka pa. Alam mo sana kung ano dapat gawin. Ayoko na dito, Ted. Sana sinama mo na lang ako.
We've been waiting for you.
Rat Bonitata informed us yesterday that they have a new lead vocalist. The band's lead guitarist, Ratty Francisco, announced an impromptu free concert tonight at 6 Underground to formally introduce their new lead singer to their fans. So let's all go inside. I can't wait to see who the new lead singer is.
Nagbabago na naman ang ihip ng hangin. Kaya naman pala, bigla kang dumating. Pare, tigil mo na yan. Ang iyong gusto, kulang sa ulan. Ang reklamo, ang nais. Tumahilig ka muna at magbuhat ng walis. Sala sa lamig, sala sa init. Pagkatauhan mo na pipilit. At bago mo ikwento ang iyong pagkusa, maghanap ka muna ng sariling pusa. Sariling pusa, bumaba ka sa tono mo. Sariling pusa, hindi ka kailangan dito. Sariling pusa, sariling pusa. Bumaba ka sa tono mo. Sariling pusa.
Teka lang, Ratty. Usapin natin sandali.
Go. What's the name of your band?
Rat Bonitata. Did you come here to apologize?
Cut the bullshit, man. What the fuck are you doing?
I'm doing what I do best, singing in a rock band.
Pare, that band is bad news. That's not what you're about.
This is what I'm about. Di ba sabi mo, without a Don, I'm nothing? O eto, may banda ako. Ikaw, may banda ka ba?
Pare, sorry na. Sumama ka lang sa amin. Please.
I'm sorry, Jumboy.
You want to know why we disbanded in '95? Now you know.
Candyman, pengin candy. Aba, tatagalog ka pala. Drama ko lang yung pagkapilam ko para maka-chicks. Sa totoo niyan, well, half American. I'm black, from the waist down. So, pare, buhok mo. Ano yan? Candy. Candy? Ginuya! Ginuya! Partner ko, may partner.
Bakit? May idea ako. Di ba? Ilok tayo.
Oo, ilok.
Dapat. New name din.
New name?
Oo.
Chef Bonitata. Ano? Rat Bonitata magiging Jet Bonitata? Oh, ayoko.
Bakit?
Kasi mas malaki ang rat buko sa jet mo. Utang ina ka. Tandaan mo, baga ko to. Ulitin mo pa uli yun, baka na kita. Nakikiraidon ka lang sa amin, ha? Lapos ka na.
Kaya mo yan, Chong. Talagang sila kaya. Sila.
Teddy.
Dead? Patay na ba ako?
Hindi pa. Depende.
Depende. Depende saan?
You know, man, ang OA mo. You just tasted that last night, and now you're acting like you're already addicted to it.
Mapakailan mo. Patay ka na eh.
You don't chew that, tanga.
Baka alam mo dito, hindi ka nagda-drugs, no?
Ikaw, ano bang alam mo dyan? Amnesia ka, diba? Or are you just pretending? Di ba nila yun nakita dati dyan? Or did you forget that too?
What do you want me to do? This world sucks. I just want to bring things back to the way they were.
That can't help, pare. What's past is past. Can't bring it back.
Then I'd rather die! Nasaan ako?
Don't you remember this place?
Hindi. Anong lugar ba to?
A place of beginnings. A place of endings. Pero nasa sa'yo yun.
I don't understand.
You need something from me, pare. Gusto ko bang sabihin ang tanong?
Gusto ko lang itanong kung bakit
kinailangan mo wala ka.
Hindi ko rin alam eh. I try not to think that I died for nothing. Maybe it's to make everyone else tougher and wiser.
Tulad ko.
Yeah. Tulad mo. Are you tougher? Are you wiser?
I don't know. Hindi ko nga maalala eh. May amnesia ako, di ba?
With what you've seen so far, from the people around you, sa tingin mo, naging anong klaseng tao ka?
I didn't really notice.
Then you gotta be more observant. Important sa akin yun. If you didn't become a stronger person, my death would have been useless to you. So,
Ano pa ang tanong mo? Bakit ba nangyayari sa akin to?
to make you realize things.
I was made to forget. To realize things.
Yeah, exactly.
Think about this, Jet. Pag may nawala sa isang tao, ano ang ginagawa?
Nahanap.
What if di mahanap?
Napalitan.
What if di mapalitan?
Nakalimutan.
So the question is, ano yung nawala sa'yo na hindi mo mahanap, hindi mo mapalitan, at gusto mo na lang kalimutan?
Do you believe in God, man?
Of course. You think this is one of his bad jokes?
Hindi naman siguro.
Siguro.
Siguro parusa.
Bakit? May ginawa ka ba masama?
Wala. Eh, ba't ikaw? Ginagawa ko ng masama.
To be punished? No, maybe.
Ano?
Maybe I got arrogant. Maybe I was too arrogant to admit it.
People get arrogant.
Ako rin siguro. May mayabang. But you got a better deal, man. Ako habang buhay na pinahihirapan. Hindi ka na naghihirap. Naging immortal ka pa.
Ito ba ang gusto mo?
Mirror na naman. You grow old faster that way. You know, there's nothing wrong with growing old. Everyone grows old. Eh, ba't ikaw? Hindi ka tumakatanda. Tanga, kasi patay na ako eh. Bakit ba ako binabalik dito?
Ikaw ang nagdadala sa atin dito, not me. You tell me, man. Why the stage?
Ewan ko. Siguro dahil dito ako masaya. Masaya ako pag kumakanta. Pagkasama ko ang banda.
Never naman ito nawala sa'yo. You still get to play, right? Why aren't you happy?
You should be thankful, pare. Kasama mo pa rin ang banda. Kasama mo pa rin ang mga mahal mo.
Last question. Ano ang gagawin if yung nawala ay hindi mahanap, hindi mapalitan, at hindi makalimutan?
Tatanggapin.
Your journey isn't over, but that's up to you.
And, Jet, Andy Francis, he's a good man.
You have to go back now. JB's waiting for you.
It's okay. It's okay, Jet.
bumalik naman.
It's okay, Jake. It's okay. James. James.
Ayun. Wait. Let's do this carefully. No sudden movements. Ako munang bahala. Tara.
Jet?
Ay, nako.
But I won't make a hero's promise. Erase the pain, I don't know how. All I can do is push forward.
Jet, anak, may kailangan ka ba?
I'm okay, ma.
Nakahanda ng pagkain. Bumaba ka na lang pagkatapos mo.
Yes, ma. All right, here's music from The Dawn. To Jet and Junboy, wherever you are, thanks for all the time that we spent together. Thanks for sharing your music, all the memories. You're on the home of New Rock, New and New 7.
Malapit ka sa pangingin, ngunit ika'y malayong abutin. Dalawang taong gustong kumawala sa kapos ng panahong nanunguya. Ako'y narito naghihintay. Pangarap ko sana'y ibigay. Sana ika'y abot kamay. Kinabukas ay atin ang taglay. Kung ikaw ay abot kamay. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ginto at pilak, puso't damdamin, agwat ay lupa at mga bituin, sumisigaw upang marinig. Ngunit karamay ko ay gabing malamig. Ako'y narito naghihintay. Pangarap ko sana'y ibigay. Sana ika'y abot kamay. Kinabukas ay atin ang taglay. Kung ikaw ay abot kamay. Sana ika'y abot kamay.
Oh. Ano lugar na to? We used to rehearse here in the early days.
Dito namin nakilala si Jet.
Talaga? Paano nangyari?
Dito kami nagpa-audition ni Teds. We were looking for a female singer. May sinamalas ang chick na nag-try out. Pero, siya pa rin napili namin.
Pero bakit niyo tayo pinapunta rito?
I don't know.
Oh, Jet! Kaloy! Hey, guys! Hey, paano dito?
Hey, what are you doing here? Wala. Si Jet called me up the other day. He said there was something important. So I took the first flight to Manila. Anong gimmick nito si Pangan?
Hi, I'm Jet Pan, and I would like to join your band.
I'm sorry, but we're looking for a female vocalist.
Tina, please. I really want to join your band.
Why do you want to join the band?
Kasi magaling kayo. You guys are the dawn.
Wow. Are you willing to learn our songs? Even the new ones?
Of course.
Madali ka bang katrabaho? Baka pasaway ka. Baka pag sumikat, aalis ka.
Hindi ako ganun. Hindi mangyayari yan.
Okay. Game!
Understand, having nothing to say, just shadows and what remains lost inside. This is what I call my enveloped ideas, singing at my enveloped ideas. Doesn't seem all too bad, hoping it would be easier to sing out my enveloped ideas. It would be easier to sing out my enveloped ideas, singing out my enveloped ideas. Doesn't seem all too bad, hoping it would be easier to sing out my.
Is it true that you were once a Jet Pangan Ruby?
Hindi Sino sabi sa'yo nun?
May nagsabi sa aming isang reliable source. Napatay ka daw kay Jet.
Ano?
umamin ako. Do I win a prize?
You win, Jeff Palan!
Chip Chip! Yun!
Eh kung ito ang prize mo.
Now you're talking to me.
Mahal mo ako. Hi, Beth. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Eto, okay naman kami. Busy with the tour, kaya lang nakapagod. I hope you and Erica are doing okay. Alam ko, nag-away tayo bago kami umalis. Sana naman makalimutan na lang natin. I'm sending you this tape to tell you how much I love you and how much I miss you. You're not just my wife. You're my best friend. And I don't know what my life would be like if I hadn't met you. I love you, Beth. I love you so much. And I need you. Nothing can change that. Happy birthday.
Hey, baby. What are you? Wow.
Daddy Rockstar.
Galing. Where are you again? Say it. What? Wow.
Ganda nga. Ako ba nagbigay sa inyan? Did I teach you how to play?
You didn't want me to learn.
Bakit?
Ayaw mo ako matulit sa'yo. Sabi mo, baka ma-disappoint lang ako.
How was I as a dad?
Okay lang. Mahal mo naman kami. But you were always away.
I'm sorry.
Okay lang. Sanay na ako.
Do you know how to play any of our songs? Can you play me one?
No.
Sige na. Play me one. Hey, I'm still your dad.
No, you're not. Not anymore. Wait. Dreams are made for children, reasons you and I can see. The answers are plenty. What happened to you and me? Dreams are made for children, reasons you and I can see. The answers are plenty. They happen to you and me.
The answers you know will define what will happen to you and me. Dream, dream, dream away. 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 Dream away. Dream, dream, dream away. Hey.
Grabe. Napagod yung baby mo, ah.
Galing na kanina, no? Siyempre, mana sa akin eh.
That's what you think.
Oo. Bakit? Can you play music too?
I used to sing. Not professionally. But I was pretty good.
Really? Sige nga. Sing me something.
Like what?
Anything. Any song na alam natin pareho.
There was a song.
What is it?
Luma na yun. You know what? He used to sing it to me a lot.
How does it go?
Hating gabi, gising pa, naghihintay, di maidlip at nagbibilang ng tala. Sa karamihan ito'y mayroong isang natatagi, at sa tuwing tatanawin, mukha mo ang nasa sa isip.
Ewan ko ba, bakit ba nagpakita pa sa panaginip?
Sana'y mamasdan ka
Sa tuwina,
kahit na di na gumising pa.
wag lang malayo sa piling mo. Iniibig kahit ika'y panaginip lang. Iniibig kahit ika'y panaginip lang.
Get back, you son of a bitch. We took you in with your back, kicked you out.
Galit na galit yung star call boy ng lahat ng gay bar sa Pilipinas, ha? Pare, mag-ingat ka.
How are you with the new songs?
Unti-unti makuha ko rin. I just need a lot of rehearsals. Ang dami.
Yeah, madali lang yan. Problema natin, wala tayong bahista.
Excuse me? Balita ko naghanap kayo ng bahista. Pwede ba mag-apply?
Hey, buddy!
Buzz! Hey, man! Long time, long time. Wow. Hey.
You're back!
Thanks, thank you.
Dude. Your timing is perfect, pare.
Excellent.
Ba't ginagawa mo ito?
Ayoko na dun sa Hong Kong, man. Pinagko-costume ako ng Donald Duck.
Ay, ano masama ron?
Usapan namin Big Bird, eh.
I'm with Twinkie Lagdameo, Director of Artist Relations of the Music Channel. So, Twinkie, what is this event all about?
Tonight, we are here to celebrate the 5th anniversary of the Music Channel in the Philippines. 5 years of song, of life, of love, of great music.
So, who's gonna play tonight?
We have 25 of the country's best artists in the house are Bamboo, Kwan, Kapatid, Sandwich, The Dawn, and of course, the favorite, Rat Bonitata.
Okay, pare! Hey, man! Kamusta Hong Kong? Okay lang, pero hindi masaya, eh.
Who you raise their heads?
Asan si Ellie?
Tigas naman mukha nito, no? Pangit naman.
umaga, gisingin ang tulog na paniniwala sa iyong naririnig, sa bumubulong na tinig mula sa damdamin. Ikaw ang sarili mong pag-asa, ikaw ang sarili mong mundo. Lahat sila'y naghihintay, lahat sila'y makikinig sa sasabihin mo. Ano ang gagawin mo? Bawat oras na lumipas ay di na babalik. Mga sugat na naiwan ay kusang gagawin. Lumikas sa dilim, sa walang hanggang gabi, harapin ang liwanag. At bago mo ikwento ang iyong pagdusa, magharap ka muna ng sariling pusa. Saling pusa, bumaba ka sa trono mo. Saling pusa, di ka kailangan dito. Saling pusa, saling pusa. Yeah! Bawat oras na lumipas ay di na babalik. Mga sugat na naiwan ay kusang gagawin. Lumikas sa dilim, sa walang hanggang gabi, harapin ang liwanag. Puro daldal, wala na magawa. Kapag di pinansin, nagmamakaawa. At bago mo ikwento ang iyong pagdurusa, maghanap ka muna ng sariling pusa. Saling pusa, bumaba ka sa trono mo. Saling pusa, di ka kailangan dito. Saling pusa, saling pusa. Alam mo na.
Bakit, Chet?
Eto na naman ako. Baka maulit naman lahat.
No, it's different this time. Marunong ka na.
How to accept?
And how to remember.
Kung may bagyo o kung tag-araw,